teadlikule tegijale.
From the beginning we were impressed about the conditions and especially the corners for the professional athletes. And this was the reason why I was from the first moment ready to come and to return to Sparta, because we have the professional corner there, and we have a lot of space to work without to be disturbed. This is also important because during these practices the coach there, the physical preparator, he needs space, he needs the silence to focus on the work with the guys, and I think this is one of the best places where I worked before. Sparta is good for everyone. Meet you here.
Sparta teadlikule tegijale.